Hey guys, welcome back. And this is episode 1 of our new CSS playlist. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with our daily programming videos. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is used to style and enhance web pages. It defines how elements like fonts, colors, spacing, and layouts should appear on a website. CSS works with other languages like HTML and JavaScript. If CSS, HTML, and JavaScript were all part of a house, HTML would be the foundation of the house like the blueprint. CSS would be the style and the design of the house like its paint. And finally, JavaScript would be the functionalities of the house like plumbing and electricity. For our CSS playlist, we will use Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio, go to code.visualstudio.com and click Download. After downloading, first create your HTML file and then your CSS file. When creating a new CSS file, make sure to end it with .css. After creating your CSS file, make sure to link your CSS file with your main HTML file. To connect your file, go to your HTML file and create a link tag. First write link, all lowercase. Then write rel, short for relationship, followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside the quotation marks, declare the relationship as a style sheet. Then write href, short for hypertext reference, also followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside the quotes, write the name of your CSS file. Make sure to write .css. As always, make sure to write your tag properly by writing all your info inside the angle brackets. And we are done. This is how you create a CSS file in Visual Studios. Here, we will write many wonderful codes, God willing. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.